Okay, so I'm gonna be recreating some nails that I really like, and first I'm gonna start by pushing my cuticles. So I got these nails on Amazon, and I really like these nails. I've bought them twice now, the whole set, because I just ran out. I really like them. They aren't gel, but they fit well on my nail, and I love the curve. I'm just going to be picking some nails out to fit my nails, and then I will get started. This is a little sample of the Kiss gel glue that I got in another set, and I'm just going to be using that today. Okay, I'm going to spread the nail glue all on the part of the nail I want to adhere. And you saw my cameras being all finicky. I'm gonna just take a buffer and actually just take the shine away from the nail, and then that'll help the gel adhere a little bit better to the nail. This is a base coat that I really like. I got this from Amazon, and it's Vishine, and I'll link that below. And I did a video about the gel base and top coat that I really like, so if you want to check that out. I'm going to cure that for a minute and 20 seconds in my lamp. And this is the Joytii, I think that's how you say it, a UV LED lamp. And I also got this on Amazon as well. Here is my other favorite color of blue, and I've already applied it to my first stand, so I'll go ahead and apply that. And I got this also off of Amazon, and I'll link that as well. So this is how it's turned out so far on my left hand, and I love the color and the look and the curve and the length. It's a really fun nail. This is the Vishine top coat, and I really like this. It's off of Amazon, and after you're done, you don't have to use alcohol to get the tacky layer off. As soon as you cure it, you're ready to go about life. This is how it turned out, and I just love the look. If you guys are interested in anything I used, go ahead and click the links down below.